down.
Oh, this big one!
Yes guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm here at Swift Performance, and behind me you can see Russ's BMW M2 competition Team Schirmer build. I went out in it yesterday, and guys, I'm going to drop the video just after this intro. This thing is an absolute weapon. I didn't get a chance to do an intro or any sort of like panning shots or anything, so I'm going to do all of that today and hopefully give you guys something to really appreciate, because like I said, this thing here is next gen.
Okay, so we are out! Hey! With Russ, Swift Performance, showing us how it's done. Gonna put in a hard lap now. Wow. Wow. Jesus.
Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed that track footage. What I'm also going to do now, I've luckily got the main man Russ beside me. I'm also going to do a quick walk around the car, just in case those keen-eyed guys of you, or that doesn't make any sense, but in case any of you keen eyes want to know what it takes
to have something classed as a Team Schirmer M2 competition?
So that's the Schirmer GT adjustable chassis mounted front splitter.
Okay.
That bottom section you undo.
Yeah, I saw you yesterday at the Allen key.
You loosen 6 bolts on the bottom and it slides out 2.5 inches approximately.
Jesus, and that's just pure downforce for the front.
Yeah.
And then we'll talk about the rear in a minute.
Okay.
These are BMW Motorsport? These
they're
ducks?
M2 CS Racing.
Okay.
They actually line up perfectly with the air intakes for the engine, although some people have run tubes off them and run them down to the wheels.
These, mate, we need the information, because guys, yesterday, there was a point you probably saw me scream because, oh, this thing, what? Because I didn't think we were gonna stop in time, but these things stop like mad. So you're running Pro Track wheels, right?
Yep, 10s on the front, AR1s at the minute.
Lovely.
And they're the Schirmer brake kit.
Cool.
AP.
APs, and these guys seriously stop you. It is open, but we'll save the interior just for a minute here. Wing.
Yep, that's Team Schirmer as well.
Team Schirmer wing.
On
you
M
can see
Performance
here.
carbon boot.
There we go, M Performance. You can see here the horns, guys. This is the real
anyone
shebang.
that's bought a £2.5 boot and then drilled 4 holes in it?
Oh mate, rather you than me.
It was a moment. Yeah.
Rather you than me. Exhaust-wise, what setup are you running as well?
So that's a full Akrapovic.
Full Akrapovic.
Yeah,
okay.
well, cat. I mean, this is still running cat, so
Yeah.
from
Sounds
the
epic,
engine back, this
It
is.
sounds epic. I don't think you'd want to probably mess around with it. And is it open?
Yeah.
Do I need to have it open to see that cage?
Hold on. Yeah, let me get the key. One second.
Oh, Russ, very unprofessional.
Oh, no.
There we go. Oh, wow, it's light, man. It just flung, it just flung open. So guys, let me just increase the brightness just so you guys can see. How about that for fitment? And this is saying isn't welded in as well. And you can see all M Performance real carbon fiber here. How do you even close it? Yeah. Mate, it's got no weight. It's got no weight. Guys, I literally opened the boot and it nearly knocked me out.
Weight's a big thing to get rid of in these cars.
100%.
When I first drove it, 1,600 kilos. It's just.
So what is it? What is it weighing now? I believe you said yesterday.
So we are just under 15. So
15.
it was 15.29 with a full tank of fuel.
Of course, but you've got a cage in there and everything you've done to it. And sorry, nearly forgot about this.
Don't forget that.
Carbon fibre roof. I remember the last time I come here in the M2, this was sat upstairs and the boys have managed to whack it in, so fair play. In terms of the seats, what are these? I want to say
pole position,
FIAs,
yeah.
FIA. So guys, for me, as a passenger yesterday, I felt a lot more off the car's G-force just by having this, which means you're proper strapped in. And the harnesses, which did take Russ about 15 minutes because didn't have a clue on how to put them on, they're a game changer. They're an absolute game changer.
There's lots of options for suspension, but we're obviously, this is our Schirmer demonstrator, so we're running the Schirmer tuned R3 Nitrons, Schirmer kinematics as well, basically. So got rid of quite a lot of rubber joints, and then some aero. That's the package. In
terms of aero, because a lot of people I've seen with wings that don't really adjust. Yesterday you were just tinkering with yours just over here on the Allen key.
Yeah.
And is that like per track or is it mainly on track? You just have to have it at that angle?
So yeah, obviously on the road you don't really need to have
that
the
much.
need.
Yeah.
I mean I extended the splitter on the front yesterday and gave the wing a bit of angle. The car was nice and stable.
Yeah.
A couple of weeks ago I was at Silverstone and I was having troubles with the car, dialing it in. But yeah, yesterday all came together.
That's what it's about. That's what it's about.
Really, really pleased with it yesterday.
So Russ, the biggest question now, my friend, what next for the Team Schirmer M2? That is the biggest question, mate.
Whoa.
Oh, there's always something, mate.
There's always something. I would say E88 BBSs.
Jesus Christ.
These
are lovely.
They are.
These are lovely.
But you need, they're just too tempting.
It is, I think, and you've seen, I'm not going to spoil the surprise, but there was something you saw yesterday as well.
Yeah,
and that,
really good.
Did that have them on there as well?
It did.
So there you go.
Yeah.
But guys, yes, this is Swift Performance in case you don't know. There is a truck that's just going behind me, so it is very, very loud. There we go. I think they're here to pick up the rubbish, so they're here to pick up the M240. But yeah, as usual, if you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.